Start. The cases of delay in refiling are different from cases of delay in filing, inasmuch as in such cases the party has already evinced its intention to take recourse to the remedies available in courts and has also taken steps in this regard. It cannot be thus assumed that the party has given up his rights to avail legal remedies. However, in certain cases where the petitions or applications filed by a party are so hopelessly inadequate and insufficient or contain defects which are fundamental to the institution of the proceedings, then in such cases the filing done by the party would be considered non-est and of no consequence. In such cases, the party cannot be given the benefit of the initial filing, and the date on which the defects are cured would have to be considered as the date of the initial filing. A similar view in the context of Rules 1 and 2 of refiling would depend on the facts of each case and whether sufficient cause has been shown which prevent refiling the petition application within time. The Supreme Court in the case of Union of India versus Popular Construction Company 2001-8 SCC 470 has held that the time limit prescribed under Section 34 of the Act to challenge an award is not extendable by the court under Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963 in view of the express language of Section 34 (3) of the Act. However, this decision would not be applicable in cases where the application under Section 34 of the Act has been filed within the extended time prescribed and there is a delay in representation of the application after curing the defects that may have been pointed out. This is so because Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963 would not be applicable in such cases. Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963 provides for extension of the period of limitation in certain cases where the court is satisfied that the applicant had sufficient cause for not preferring an appeal or making an application within the specified period. In cases where the application appeal is filed in time, Section 5 would have no application. The Supreme Court in the case of Indian Statistical Institute versus Associated Builders 1978-1 SCC 483 considered the applicability of Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963 where the objection to an award under the provisions of the Arbitration Act 1940 was filed in time but there was substantial delay in refiling the same. The High Court in that case held that there was a delay in filing the objections for setting aside the award and consequently rejected the application for condonation of delay. An appeal against the decision of the High Court was allowed and the Supreme Court rejected the contention that there was any delay in filing objections for setting aside the award. The relevant extract from the decision of the Supreme Court is reproduced below. Over.